Let's have an example. At this time, we're going to identify the value of A, B, and C of the following quadratic equations. Dapat alam din po natin ang quadratic equations ay may parts. So, ang tawag po natin dito is your quadratic term. Bakit po? Because of the square. Tandaan, pag quadratic, dapat ang kanyang exponent is laging 2. Then we have the linear term considered as our one exponent and our constant term without the variable. So let's find out. Our case is to find out for the value of our constant of every term. In this case, since wala pong number dito, ibig sabihin nun, there is 1. Therefore, ang atin pong A value is 1. Next, we have here negative 5. That's equals to negative 5. And your constant term is C. Ganun lamang pong maghanap ng quadratic constant sa bawat isang term. Now, the second one, obviously, is 2. We have here another 2 and 1 for our values. Then, the next problem is 9. Then we have 0. Bakit naging 0 po yan? The problem is, wala po tayong tinatawag na linear term. Tatandaan na ang linear term natin yung nasa gitna ng quadratic form na mayroon pong isang variable. If in case nangyari po yun, wala pong linear term, ang ilalagay po natin ay 0. Of course, this is our constant term, 16. Next po, we have here 3, of course. Then we have negative 1 ulit. Constant reminder, pag walang number, there's always 1. Kaya po, negative 1 po ang atin pong linear term and 16 ang atin pong constant term. Then, for the next one, we have 1/4. We have here 8 and 0. So, baliktad naman po. Ang nawawala yung kanyang constant term. Tatandaan, pag constant term, wala pong variable or letters na kasama. So, ibig sabihin nun, may kulang dito. That's equal to 0. Kaya po, 0 po ang ating constant term. That's it. Have a nice day.